In this video, I want to show you how easy it is for you to be able to have a summons response created if you're being sued by a debt collector or the original creditor. And I'm also going to show you the back end support that you'll be able to get, because that's very important too. Anyone can provide a service. I don't think to the quality of what Summons Master does, but let's just say if anyone provides a service for anyone, you still want to make sure that that company is going to back you up on the service that they're providing. And with Summons Master, we have over 7 years of experience, direct experience with court cases. I've had experience myself with 2 different debt collector court cases in my early years. One of them was for over $104,000. So I know that the frustration, the sleepless nights, the thinking about it all the time, I know exactly how you might be feeling when you are being sued by a debt collector. Or the original creditor. Really does not matter. When they take it to court, it becomes more about them proving their case. So let me demonstrate how easy it is for you to be able to create a response so you will not get a default judgment. It'll buy you more time and give you the opportunity to have your case dismissed. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to create a PDF file of our summons document, the citation, or it might say warranty in debt, warrant in debt, or it might say complaint. Those are the documents that we need you to upload into Summons Master, but they also need to be one PDF, not multiple documents or not multiple images. They need to be one PDF. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in a sample debt lawsuit so you can see how easy it is to get a response created. Okay, now I have my sample summons document here. It's all in one PDF. And the next thing that I have to do is determine if it's a debt collector lawsuit or an original creditor lawsuit. Summons Master will handle each of those types of cases different. So just to give you an example, if it's from a company that purchased your debt from the original creditor, that's going to be a debt collector lawsuit. And we have a little menu up here, or a little tab that you can check to just see what would be considered a debt collector lawsuit over an original creditor lawsuit. So depending on which type of lawsuit you have, you're going to choose the appropriate type of response. So for this one, for this sample, it was an original creditor lawsuit. And just so you know, just because it's the original creditor does not mean you will automatically lose. If it meant that, they wouldn't have even taken the time to take you to court. They wouldn't have taken the time to put together a complaint. They wouldn't have taken the time to outline allegations in that complaint. When anyone takes you to court, you have a right to defend yourself, and they take on the burden of proving their case. So now what we're going to do is we're going to hit generate, and what Summons Master is doing, it's creating a response based on the information that was in your particular lawsuit. And it's matching it up with affirmative defenses that are based on the formulation of what we know can work for you in court. That'll give you the best chance. It's going to challenge the entire lawsuit, and it's also going to challenge the processes that the debt collection lawyer utilized to put your specific case together. So after your summons is ready, you're just going to pay for it. Once you pay for it, you're going to have your response. It's going to show the document that you uploaded, the summons. So it takes all of this mess, all of this legal jargon. It's going to get all of that stuff taken care of and put into a summons response for you. And when you had your summons response, it's going to have your service documents, everything that you're going to need. All you got to do is just click here, print it out, sign, date, fill out a couple of details about the attorney who is suing you, and then you submit a copy to the court, and you mail a certified copy to the plaintiff attorney. Now, something that we've added, because a lot of people wanted to get information, they're like, hey, what if my case goes to trial? Am I just left hanging out there? And what we used to do is we used to do
Stephen A. Williams.
Oops, there we go. Take that back. What we used to do is we used to do coaching sessions with our clients, but the problem is that we have limited amount of time to work with people, and so we wanted to make sure that everyone who became a client of Summons Master was able to get a coaching session about what to expect in court, how it would go. We even talk about the differences of a consumer-friendly judge versus a business-friendly judge. Even though our courts are supposed to be impartial, but you and I both know that it could be, you could get in front of a judge that just seems that they lean more towards business, or one that's straight down the middle, or one that is more consumer friendly. We tell our clients with this coaching video exactly how to feel that out. Different things that you can listen for, different questions that they may be asking, so you can understand that. But also we detail exactly what to expect, what to say, what not to say. It could be nerve-wracking until the person actually gets all of their questions answered. And that's what we've done. But with this coaching video that we've put together, it actually answers those questions. It really does answer those questions. And it gives an extremely high level of confidence to our customers. So they really love that we did that we added that section in there. They're able to look at that, when at their time, when they have free time, they're able to look at that. And it also has the instructions on what to do after, which I just mentioned. And we also have a phone number for follow-up if they have any questions or concerns. And if you are utilizing Summons Master and you have an issue with your file, or you don't know how to put them together as a PDF, you could send your files to us and we can send them back to you to be able to upload them. All right, I wanted to make this demonstration video. You can go visit summonsmaster.com, create your account. It's absolutely free, and you can make sure that you respond to that debt collector lawsuit so you can avoid getting a default judgment.